Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a LinkedIn video message. This is a powerful way to make your professional communications more personal and engaging, whether you're reaching out to a potential client, following up after a meeting, or simply connecting with colleagues in a more meaningful way. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can access all of LinkedIn's messaging features. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll see several options, and you want to click on Messaging. This section is where all your LinkedIn conversations live and where you'll be creating your video message. Now that you're in the messaging area, look for the new message icon. It's typically represented by a pencil or compose button, and clicking it will open up a fresh message window where you can start crafting your video message to send. In the recipient field that appears, begin typing the name of the person you want to send the video to. LinkedIn will automatically suggest connections as you type, making it easy to find the right person. Select the contact from the drop-down list to ensure your message reaches the intended recipient. Next, look toward the bottom of the message window for the clip icon or attachment icon. Click on this icon, and from the options that appear, select the video file you want to send. Browse through your device to locate the video, then click to attach it to your message. Once you've selected your video, you'll need to wait for the upload to complete. Depending on the size of your video file and your internet connection speed, this might take a few moments. You'll typically see a progress bar indicating how much of the upload is finished, so be patient and let it fully process before moving forward. While the video is uploading or after it's done, you can also add a text message to accompany your video. This is a great opportunity to provide context, explain what the video is about, or add a personal note that makes your message even more impactful. Simply type your message in the text field provided. Finally, once your video has finished uploading and you've added any additional text you'd like to include, take a moment to review everything. Make sure the recipient is correct and your message looks good. When you're satisfied, click the send button to deliver your video message, and that's it. You've successfully sent a video message on LinkedIn, making your professional communication stand out with a personal touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.